I'm greeting you, dear listeners. You are on the channel Vovich the Grandpa, and continuing to listen to the podcast on the topic Tools for Working with Wood. Today we will talk about a simple but very useful tool, an awl. An awl is a hand tool with a centuries-old history. It is used to make neat holes and seams in thick, dense materials such as leather, fabric, suede, etc. Certain types of awls are used when working with wood. The first thing that comes to mind is to make a dot mark on the surface of the wood for further drilling. This is especially true if you do not have a wood drill bit of the appropriate diameter and are forced to use a metal drill bit. Then it is very important to make a preliminary mark on the wood with an awl. Then make a hole with a thin drill bit, and then, if necessary, widen the hole. However, in addition to working with wood, an awl can also be useful when working with other materials. For example, for piercing thick fabrics when sewing a soft seat for a chair or upholstery for a sofa. In short, when creating those products that are made directly by a carpenter. A little about the design and characteristics. An awl is a simple hand tool that consists of only two parts, a rod and a handle. The rod resembles a thick needle. Its end can be pointed, have a hook or a hole. And what about materials? The material from which the awl is made depends on the purpose of the tool. The awl needle is made of high-quality, durable steel, often chrome vanadium, which is heat-treated, chromed, or nickel-plated. The needle can be straight, conical, triangular, square, spiral, or other shape. The handle is made of wood or high-quality plastic with rubberized inserts for more comfortable use. A carpenter's awl has a straight, thick, or medium-thick needle without any hooks or eyes at the tip. The length of the needle can vary from a few centimeters to 10 to 12 centimeters, but as a rule, does not exceed the length of the handle by much. The needle of a carpenter's awl must withstand the load when pricking hard wood and not bend when pressed. The handle of a carpenter's awl can have different shapes. For example, a long cylindrical, teardrop-shaped, bell-shaped, or chicken, egg-shaped handle. This handle shape is designed to provide a good grip and control of the awl when pricking. A handle with an integrated collet would also be a good option. This design allows you to use replaceable needles of different diameters, lengths, and shapes. The ability to change the piercing part gives the awl compactness and versatility. Another option for an improvised universal awl can be a replaceable chuck for a drill or screwdriver. This design allows you to use not only needles but also thicker nails or screws and even small drill bits. In the latter version, you will get a hand mini drill for drilling small, neat holes. In addition to working with wood, an awl can be used in other industries. The shape and design of an awl can vary depending on its purpose. Here are some of the most well-known variations. A saddlery awl is a type of piercing tool designed to work with hard and dense materials, leather, cardboard, fur. As a rule, there is a small hook at the end of the needle to catch the thread. Such a tool is used in shoe repair shops. It can be used to sew leather goods, repair shoes made of suede and leather. The next variation is a sewing awl. The design of its needle includes a hole for threading. This tool is used for stitching thick fabrics in the production or repair of backpacks, pouches, awnings, and other things. A stationary awl, another option, has an elongated needle rod and a short handle. It is believed that such a tool is less durable and not as reliable, since it is intended for working with paper and is used for stitching documents. What else do you need to know about an awl? To make working with the tool comfortable and convenient when choosing, pay special attention to the quality of the handle. The handle should be durable, resistant to deformation, perfectly polished, without any defects on the surface. You can distinguish a good tool from a low-quality one even by its appearance. Models with wooden handles have proven themselves well. If you prefer a plastic one, make sure that it has a dense shell and does not crack during work. The needle should be securely fixed in the handle. So how to use an awl? The principle of operation is very simple. Firmly grasp the awl by the handle, place the tip of the needle, and press lightly on the handle. Regardless of the type of tool you are working with, take safety precautions. It is easy to injure yourself with the sharp tip of the rod. Also, do not lean on the awl with your whole body to try to pierce the wood through. There is a special tool for this, a drill. At this point, my podcast comes to an end. I hope this information was useful for you. See you soon in the next issues.